Mediation is a process where you and your lawyer meet together with the other side and their lawyer in the office of a third lawyer who's trained in helping you reach agreements that over the course of a half a day or maybe multiple days can work through your case to get a total resolution to your case. So rather than having to try your case in front of a judge, both sides can come together and work to get an agreement. It may be scary to you because you think, I don't want to sit down in the room with that person. I don't like them. I don't want to see their ugly face. Well, you may not actually have to sit down in the room with them, but you're going to be in the same office. You'll have your little camp over here. They'll have their little camp over there. And that mediator will go back and forth over the course of your mediation, taking one offer to the other offer. The great thing about a trained and experienced mediator, the reason they're mediating cases is because they have a long history, usually decades, of trying cases in that county. And that's a really important thing. So they can give you advice about exactly what this judge is likely to do. I had a case recently where we were mediating in one county with a mediator from that county, but my office, we had a lot of cases in this other county where the case was pending, and we knew that those judges will never do a certain thing. They just, as their practice, they do not. The mediator didn't know that. The other lawyer didn't know that. And so we did not reach an agreement that day in that case because I could tell my client, this judge is not going to do this. So you've got to have a lawyer who knows what they're doing, but you also need to have a mediator who is experienced in trying cases in the court and in the county where your case is pending. That's a very important part of it because over the course of your mediation, you're really going to work to get to an agreement so that at the end of the day, when you leave that mediation, you know exactly what your custody order or your final decree of divorce is going to look like rather than taking the risk of being in front of a judge and trying a case where you give up all control. So mediation is a fantastic opportunity for you to reach an agreement that you can live with, even if you don't love it.